What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. And today we're checking out the JBL Endurance Peak 2 True Wireless Earbuds. These are a pair of sport earbuds. So they've got the around the ear hook, which is going to give you a really secure fit. Whenever you're hitting the gym, doing your running, jumping, any of that type of activity, they're going to stay in place really well. So today we're going to cover all the details here in this video and basically help you guys figure out if these are a pair worth checking out. All right, so the charging case is a little larger than your average size case, but that is to be expected. That's pretty typical with the around the ear style earbuds. The case has got a matte plastic finish and you do have some JBL branding on the lid. On the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. And then on the front, you have a button to open the case. So you can see once you press the button, you can see the earbuds inside. One thing to mention is I do wish the lid kind of locked into place whenever you open it. You can see it feels a little bit loose. And then you can also see that on the inside of the case, it's got a little bit of foam padding there to make sure the earbuds stay protected whenever the case is closed. Also, the button that opens the case serves as the LED battery indicator. So instead of a matte plastic finish, the earbuds have a rubber finish all the way around, which I really like, especially since these are geared towards the gym. The rubber just gives it a more rugged feel, and it makes you feel more comfortable if you ever need to clean them or if you drop them or bump them up against something. It just seems like the rubber is going to hold up a lot better than plastic. Something that's pretty cool is that the ear hook is kind of like the power button for each earbud. So whenever you flex the ear hooks as if you're putting the earbud on or taking it off, it turns on or turns off that particular earbud. So when you take them out of the case and you flex the ear hooks to put them on, they automatically turn on and go into pairing mode. And then whenever you flex the ear hook by taking it off, that particular earbud unpairs and turns itself off. So it's almost like in-ear detection. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0 and they do support independent use. So if you want to listen to one while the other remains in the charging case, you can definitely do that. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 6 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 30 hours with the charging case. These are also coming with an IPX7 water resistant rating, which is going to give you plenty of protection from water, sweat, and just overall moisture, which is going to make these perfect for the gym. As far as watching videos and movies, these are perfectly fine. Now, when it comes to gaming, I mean, they're probably not going to be your go-to earbuds, but for most games, I would say they'll be more than okay. Maybe first-person shooters, you might look elsewhere, but majority of things, these are going to be perfectly fine in terms of latency. So when it comes to the fit, with the ear hooks, these are obviously going to stay in place extremely well. Of course, you'll want to play with the different size ear tips to help you get the best possible seal for your ears. But for any type of gym activity, running, jumping, these are going to stay in place very well. The controls take a little getting used to, just learning the different functions, but the good thing is that you do get full controls. So the left earbud controls your tracks, so either a single tap or double tap will go to the next song or go back to the previous song. And then the right earbud controls your play and pause with a single tap, and it also controls your volume with swipe controls. So if you swipe up, that will increase your volume, and then if you swipe down, that will decrease your volume. And then a long press on the right earbud will activate your voice assistant. So as far as the sound quality, first things first, these do get loud, which for a pair of gym earbuds is a good thing. A lot of times if you're in a public gym, they've got background music, you got people, racking weights, you got the sound of the different machines. So having some good max volume will help you drown all of that out and really focus on your workout. And another good thing is that the earbuds don't really give you any distortion at max volume. As far as the bass, I did expect it to be a little bit stronger. I'm not saying that the bass is lacking because you do get a nice punch of bass, but a lot of times it seems like with gym earbuds, they tend to really amp up that sub bass. So it doesn't really seem like they did that with these. As far as the mids and highs, I do feel like the mids stand out the most, but altogether you are getting a pretty balanced sound. Also, there's no app support. So if you did want to make like some tweaks to the EQ, it would have to be done through a third-party app. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the JBL Endurance Peak 2 True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these earbuds for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So one thing I would have liked on these is an ambient mode, because they are giving you some pretty solid passive noise cancellation. So if you're out somewhere and somebody walks up to you and starts talking, you're pretty much going to have to remove one of the earbuds to effectively hear. And since they have the around the ear hook, it's going to take you just a couple seconds longer to remove the earbud and then put it back on compared to any other type of earbud. And then also, if you're like outdoors running on a trail and you want to be more aware of your surroundings, an ambient mode would definitely be helpful for that as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. You can also subscribe as well as follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I have coming up. And also, if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these earbuds, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.